Hi there, students. Clatter. To clatter as a verb. A clatter as a noun. I guess clattering as an adjective. A clattering sound. Okay, to clatter is a continuous loud noise by hard things hitting each other. So when you wash the dishes, there's this clattering sound. Or if you go into a cafeteria, you can hear all the voices, but you hear the clattering of dishes being moved and people moving their chairs and things like that. Yeah? Or maybe somebody banging away at their keyboard. There's this clattering sound. Yeah? He was clattering away on his keyboard. Yeah, it's like this continual rattling sound. I dropped the books and they clattered to the floor. Yeah, okay, so they clattered to the floor. It's this sound, hard things hitting each other. Um, okay, so it's you could clatter along the corridor. He got great big boots and he was clattering down the corridor. Yeah. Um, okay, when he put his glass on the table, he was a bit drunk and it clattered against the table. Yeah, I could hear the clattering of keyboards in the next room. Maybe the train clattered past. Yeah, and this is this idea of a clatter. Yeah, particularly a clatter of dishes or a clatter of pots and pans. Yeah, you could have the clatter of a horse's hooves. Yeah, but it's this continuous thing. Yeah, it's quite a low sound as well. Yeah, so it's hard things. It's not got a ringing sound. No ding, but clatter. Um, okay, so if somebody clatters along, the car clattered along the bumpy road, yeah, clattering, yeah, it's this rattling sound, but a repetition of these abrupt banging sounds, hard things banging into each other. I think you could say use a racket as well. I could hear a clatter coming from the next room, so I went to see what was happening. Yeah, the table clattered to the floor, and the contents clattered on the floor after it. Yeah, I was carrying my bag around, and the things were clattering in my bag. They were banging together. Yeah, so this is the idea of clatter. It's this rattling sound. Yeah, the clattering of roller skates. Yeah, or maybe an underground train clattering along the track. Yeah, so it's effectively making this noise. Yeah, a clatter, a banging sound. Yeah, he came clattering down the stairs. Yeah, or he clattered down the stairs. Maybe he fell as well. It's to do with the noise, the clatter of the books falling off the shelf. Yeah, I could hear the clatter of the dishes being washed in the sink. Yeah, the clatter of a horse's hooves. Okay, so notice this word clatter. I think formality. I think I would probably say 4.5 in formality. I think use it informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, maybe very formal, a banging or a knocking sound perhaps. And then as to origin, well, my first guess would be this is onomatopoeic. Yeah, there's an old English word, clatrian. Yeah, or the clatron, the geron. This has been around since the 14th century. Yeah, so a clattering sound, the clattering of hooves. Yeah, the train rattled past, it clattered past. Yeah, things clattered to the floor. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Clatter.